My name is Rameshwari Vivek Lage from Srimati Kashibai Navle College of Engineering in Mechanical Department. My subject is Engineering Metallurgy. The instrument used for environment and sustainability is the process. As the participant of International FDP on Environment and Sustainability, I want to focus my subject topic, that is the use of steel in our day-to-day life in environmental sustainability. First, I would like to tell that environmental sustainability. Environmental sustainability is an interaction with the environment to avoid depletion of natural resources and for long-term environmental quality. Through this presentation, how does the steel impacts on environmental sustainability? Now, the steel is an alloy of iron and carbon with a small amount of sulfur, silicon, and phosphorus. As we know, the steel is a predominant material which is used all over the world in automotive, metal products, construction, mechanical machinery, electrical equipments, and domestic application. For this production of steel, the steel is the making of producing from iron ore and steel scrap. With the help of these iron ore and steel scrap, there are two manufacturing methods: basic oxygen steel making, that is BOS, or the basic oxygen furnace BOF, and the second manufacturing method is electric arc furnace, that is EAF. The energy which is consumed with the help of these manufacturing systems is dropped to 60% with the help of basic oxygen furnace. Whatever the gas, whatever the byproducts which are from the furnace, that are reused in the manufacturing of the steel, such as the byproducts gases which are used directly as a fuel substitute, and it is also used for internal generation of electricity and power generation. The second waste, that is the carbon dioxide, which is cleaned up and again it is used to make the carbonated drinks. While the electric arc furnace, which uses the 100% scrap metal, that means it uses or it reuses the waste from the industry. Next, the recycling of steel is endless. Means the steel is recycled by without losing any of its strength and durability. The steel is recycled at any point in its life and application. Even also, the cut pieces and the rejected components can also be recycled after the fabrication work. Does the steel is affects environment and humans? No. It is no harsh chemicals or toxins. Thus, it is harmless to environment and sustainability. Thank you.